What's up, everyone? It's November 21st, 6:05 a.m. Shooting lights in 25 minutes. Just got out to stand. I'll check back in with you when it's shooting light. Stay tuned. All right, everyone. It's 6:30 now. It's officially shooting light. We're gonna hunker in, wait for a buck to come in, and hopefully get a shot at one. Should be good. Now that's all nice and rock. You can see in here. Actually, I got the phone set up. Heater down there. Even cakes over here. Extra shells. Shooting the Remington Express Core 243. Thought I'd give you guys a little update. Right now it's currently 38 degrees out. We have a perfect wind, only 6 miles per hour, which is perfect. Deer don't really like the wind. And I'm sitting on the northern part of our property, about the northeast. The wind's blowing southwest, which is perfect because the deer hopefully are gonna come from my northeast. Circle from this way in front of me. So that wind's blowing directly into me right here, so they shouldn't scent me unless they come from behind, but we haven't been seeing them come from behind on the trail cam, so I've just been keeping an eye on front 45, front 90. But that weather update really pumped me up. Looking like it's in our favor. Got a couple little black squirrels running around out there. I've never seen those before. Thought that was pretty neat. But stay tuned. Hopefully it gets interesting here. We're getting into the juicy time. I have one doe. About 20 yards to my right now. To my left, I mean. It's a shooter doe, but I'm not looking for a doe this year. I'm really trying to get a buck. And she came in solo, so I have, no fawn, so that's definitely a shooter that way. She's just hanging out right now, checking it out. I would have missed her, but she came in and blew at a few squirrels first. Cheers, my dad driving back into the cabin right now. What's up, everyone? It is 12 o'clock noon right now. Seeing one doe come in. That's it so far. I ended up not going in. Figured I'd just stick it out at this point. I haven't really seen any deer. So if they're gonna come, it's gonna be soon. It's hunting, This is deer hunting. Just sitting and waiting. Hoping one comes in. Super small 6-point. Maybe a yearling. A real small little guy. Not gonna shoot him. Not the buck we're looking for, that's for sure. He's gonna be something one day, though, if he's a yearling. He's gonna be a dandy. It's his lucky day. If I was younger, I would have smoked him already. It's 1:15. And that little fork with some brow tines, so he's about a 6-pointer. I'd say 2. He's gonna be something one day, I can tell you that, if he makes it a couple seasons. He's got potential to be an 8 next year already. Spindly 6 at the least. You know, you gotta let the little ones go though. That's how you keep the property up. And I shot an 8-pointer a couple years ago, actually 7 years ago, so I can't shoot anything. They're smaller than that. I would feel so bad shooting this thing. I'd be embarrassed. But man, is he gonna be something, I can tell you that. He's got good genes. I'll keep him. I'm thinking about taking one of them at Shooting Light. If there's no deer in here, they might take a high-powered rifle to the dome. Oh, we got a little fight action. A little standoff? Ooh. Ooh. Get him. Get after it. Get after it. Come on. Come on. That's what I want to see. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's sick. Get after it. Oh, standoff. Oh, it's... Oh. Oh, oh. I got 4 does in right now. We got exactly an hour left until shooting time. I'm hoping they bring in a buck. My spike buck is back. Oh, what's that one? What's that? No way. I got 2 spikes fighting right now. A couple of spikes, a couple forks fighting over there. That was pretty sweet. Just had 2 little 6-points, so just a fork and a brow tine. They were just fighting about 100 yards away from me. The first time I've seen deer fight, like, live. All the years I've been hunting, I've never seen it, but of course, a couple young bucks. No shit. They're gonna fight. There was like 5 does in here before, and they must have fought over who could follow them. That's pretty sweet. I hope the footage was good enough and you could tell that they were fighting. But what's up, everyone? We're back home now. 2020 rifle season is over.
We did not get any deer this year, unfortunately. The neighbors got a couple nice ones around us, a couple 10-pointers shot, but you know, that's the way it goes sometimes. So you don't always get to kill a deer. And we were just trophy buck hunting mainly this year. Weren't really trying to get any does for meat in the freezer. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'd really appreciate it if you like and subscribe. Hit that bell button for notifications. And stay tuned, I got some good ones coming this winter. Just waiting on the ice to melt, or not melt, waiting on the ice to form. And yeah, then we should be getting after some ice fishing videos here soon. I think I got a Red Lake trip planned next week, so it should get really interesting. Hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.